Hello.
Hello.
So would you like to share with us some of your yoga nuggets?
I would be happy to. One of the things that I've discovered since coming to Off the Grid and meeting Laura and Michelle has been when being mindful and when there's something, as we say, going on with our body, like a little ache in the shoulder or just a little problem in my neck. They talk about having breath and taking the time to just be still and focus on that area and breathe into it. And that has really made a difference for me.
Yes, absolutely. I like to say that breath is the language of the body. This is how we talk to the body, with our breath. So, as you said, when we deepen the breath, we actually soothing the body and, like you said, the little issues in the body. But most of the time we breathe, when we're stressed out, we breathe in the very ragged way, very shallow way. So that's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thank
Namaste.
you. My pleasure. Namaste.